A popular flea market in Belton is recovering after severe weather struck earlier this morning. Strong winds caused significant damage to the Belton County Flea Market, leaving many local business owners devastated. 6 News reporter Sydney Deshawn was on the scene today and shares more. Sydney?
Yeah, Lindsay, the Belton County Flea Market in Belton suffered major damage when high winds caused structures to collapse around 8:30 this morning. Several people said the damage was so bad they thought a tornado came through. The destruction was extensive, with many businesses inside the market severely affected. One store owner, David Lambert, who has operated his shop since 2013, described the scene as total devastation. Many of his pictures and historical items inside were destroyed by the water and wind. Some things were untouched, though, like his Jesus sign and nutcracker holding a glass globe. He estimates his losses at around $100,000. It was a popular shop loved by many in the community.
People would come out here to my shop just to have a good time on the weekend. Even if they only had $5, they'd come to my museum, as they called it, to have fun. And almost everyone left happy when they came here. So the community's lost an anchor to this flea market and a fun place to be.
Now, as business owners begin the process of rebuilding, they're asking for assistance like box trailers and U-Haul trucks to store items. They also tell me their hope is for everything to get restored within just a couple of weeks. Lindsay?
Yeah, I can imagine, just ahead of the Christmas season. Terrible timing.
Yes.
All right, Sydney, thank you.